Hello, welcome to the Fairlawn Amateur Radio Club. We're glad you're here. Before we begin tonight's program, a little about us. FLARC, as we are affectionately known, has been in existence for a little over 60 years and is sponsored by the Borough of Fairlawn. We're an active, friendly, and growing club with over 100 members, making us one of the largest clubs in New Jersey. We regularly hold speaker programs.
Welcome to the last 40 minutes of the 96 years of 500 KCs.
Conduct training classes, offer monthly VE testing sessions, and activate special event stations. Field Day, Winter Field Day contests, and other activities make for a full FLARC event calendar. The club is located nearby at the Fairlawn Recreation Center, 1010 20th Street. The clubhouse has 5 operating positions, full tech bench, and a meeting place for both members and guests. Over the last year, we have updated our station and replaced our antenna array. This short video gives you just a flavor of this project, which has greatly improved the capabilities of the station. The club meets regularly on Friday evenings starting at around 6 p.m. We also have an active Monday night net on the W2NPT repeater starting at 8 p.m. You're welcome to check in via the repeater on VHF or via Echolink. As an ARRL Special Service Club, we are highly visible in our community, managing communications for the borough's annual Memorial Day Parade and Independence Day fireworks. Nearly half of our club members are involved in some form of public service activity, and we engage with our Fairlawn community through such events as street fairs, celebrations, and commemorations. We welcome you to join FLARC and share in the fun. Membership is open to all, and you need not be a Fairlawn resident to join. We have club-related material on our publicity table, or visit us at our website at www.FairlawnARC.org.